Welcome back to Stock Motion, the educational investment channel. In today's video we'll take a look at Charlie's Holdings, ticker symbol CHUC. As always, before we start, please remember I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Charlie's Holdings, Inc. formulates, markets, and distributes e-cigarette liquids and vaping systems in the United States. The company also offers energy drink under the Bazi brand name. It sells its products through distributors, specialty retailers, and third-party online resellers to approximately 90 countries, primarily including the United Kingdom, Italy, Spain, Belgium, Australia, Sweden, and Canada. The company was formerly known as True Drinks Holdings, Inc. and changed its name to Charlie's Holdings, Inc. The company was incorporated in 2014 and is headquartered in Costa Mesa, California. Charlie's products produced domestically through contract manufacturers for sale through select distributors, specialty retailers and third-party online resellers throughout the United States, as well as more than 80 countries worldwide. Charlie's primary international markets include the United Kingdom, Europe, Australia, New Zealand and Canada. In June 2019, the company launched distribution, through Don Poly, of certain premium vapor, tincture and topical wellness products containing hemp-derived cannabidiol, CBD, and currently intends to develop and launch additional products containing hemp-derived CBD in the future. This is what the company had to say. First, we plan to focus on increasing the sales of our CBD-related products, including topicals, tinctures and vaping liquids. We feel there is a significant upside in the CBD space, and we have begun to focus on numerous vertical markets for the sale of our isolate, full and broad-spectrum products. These vertical markets include, but aren't limited to, the medical and wellness markets. In addition, we have begun conversations with various companies and organizations that, if successful, will allow us to significantly expand our marketing and distribution reach. Secondly, we see a significant opportunity for sales growth in international markets for nicotine e-liquids. Presently, approximately 25% of our e-liquid product sales come from the international market, and we are well positioned to increase those sales in the countries that we presently sell, and in additional overseas markets, as we have already built an international distribution platform. Lastly, we feel that the nicotine-based flavored vaping products will continue to be a significant growth opportunity, once all the rightful regulatory changes have been made. We will continue with our plan to obtain marketing authorization for certain of our products through the submission of a PMTA, which is due in September 2020. We expect the cost associated with the preparation and submission of these PMTAs will be approximately $4.4 million in total. In addition, we are evaluating the potential returns associated with obtaining marketing authorization for our other nicotine-based vaping products after the September 2020 deadline. We feel that a significant amount of our competitors will not have the resources and/or expertise to complete the extensive and costly PMTA process, and that once complete, we will be able to benefit from being one of only a select group of companies operating in the flavored nicotine product space. In 2020, their CBD wellness products contributed revenue of $877,000. Charlie's has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date. One analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Charlie's Holdings have a median target of 0.50, with a high estimate of 0.50 and a low estimate of 0.50. The median estimate represents a 10,000% plus gain from the last price of 0.023. The global cannabidiol (CBD) market is anticipated to rise at a considerable rate during the forecast period, between 2021 and 2026. In 2021, the market was growing at a steady rate, and with the rising adoption of strategies by key players, the market is expected to rise over the projected horizon. I just wanted to put this stock on your radar as one to watch in 2021. Just in the last 5 days they've rallied 258+%, and I expect to see more growth in the coming months. Remember, this is just my opinion, and do your research before you invest in any stocks, as your capital is at risk. Like always, if you like this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Why not join our private Discord server for buy and sell alerts and more? You can find the link to my Patreon in the description. It's £3 a month and helps support the channel. There's also a link to sign up for Trading 212, who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.